Welcome to another Dubb video series. In this video, we will explain how to visualize your Dubb video activity events in Salesforce and be able to report on them via contact and Salesforce user. Dubb is a video communication platform that lets you create, share, and track videos from your phone, screen, and webcam. It works great because when you send video, you streamline your communication and build trust. If you don't already have one, grab a free account at dubb.com. Once you have your account, you can upload your contacts and share a video via email, LinkedIn, or SMS. Once you've sent your video to one or more recipients, you can begin tracking and building reports. In this video, we will demonstrate where to capture your Dubb activity reporting engagement directly in Salesforce and report on these activities via a standard report and graphical dashboard. Prior to beginning, be sure that you have completed the integration steps by syncing your Dubb account to Salesforce, which can be done by clicking the integrations option on the left of the Dubb platform. Once you click this, find the Salesforce login and click Install. Once the integration has been completed, you can begin visualizing the same activities shown in the Dubb platform directly in Salesforce via reports and a graphical dashboard depicting the information in bar chart, donut chart, plain text format, or other visualization type. For this demo, we'll show the activities as a bar chart, an Excel style, or tabular report chart. Once you've logged into your Salesforce environment, if we click on the contacts, we can see all of the activities that appear similar to how they appear in the Dubb platform. If you wish to pinpoint the activities from a single contact, this is all you would need to see to get the data that you want. However, if we want to see all of the activities for all of the contacts, we can create a report to accomplish this. So to create a report of all our activities, all we would have to do is go up to the top where you see all the different tabs, click on Reports, and then click New Report. Type in Activities. And because we're talking about contacts, we want to choose the Activities with Contact selection. Click Continue. And pretty much we have the shell or the skeleton of our report. However, there's no data showing. So to show that, we would click Filters and make a couple of changes. So I'm going to go from My Team's Activities to All Activities. I'm going to change the date to show all time because I want to see all of them. And I want to show open and completed activities. And when I do that and run the report, you're going to see that I have the data that I want. And this is pretty much the same information that you're going to see within the Dubb platform, only within Salesforce. So let's make a couple of more changes so that this information can show up in a dashboard. And to do that, what we need to do is do a grouping or segmentation of this data. And what I mean by that is we need to take one of these fields and drag it up to groups. So by looking at this data, it's going to show me the same results, only segmented by that particular field. In this case, first name. So of the 29 activities that we currently have in the system, 7 belong to Darius and 22 belong to Ruben. If we further want to add additional fields, such as contact owner, we type in the name of the field, we run the report again, we can see that we get the same result only with that different new field that's added, in this case contact owner. So let's go ahead and save that report. I'm just going to call it activities 1. And it's also a good practice to copy and paste the activity name or the report name into the description here. I want the whole company to see it, so I'm going to select on Public Reports, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. So that's the first segmentation that we have to be able to visualize this in a dashboard. The second thing that I want to do is I want to be able to see this information by contact owner. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did for first name, only with contact owner. I'm going to drag this up to groups, and I'm going to run it. And this time, of the 29 records that we have, we can see that Darius is the sole owner of all of those particular activities. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one, and I'm going to call it Activities 2. Very important not to click Save because that's going to overwrite the prior report. I'm going to click this little down arrow beside Save, do a Save As, and call it Activities 2. Now that we have our reports completed, if we wanted to, we could pretty much just leave it here. But if we wanted to represent this in a graphical format, we would do that by way of a dashboard. By the way, when I click a tab at the top here, if you can't see them, you can click on the little waffle icon here, or the rain that's coming down from the cloud, and you can type in the word report, or you can type in the word dashboard, and it'll show up here at the bottom if you don't see it up here. However, if you do see it, you can just simply click on that, and just like the reports, we're going to click New Dashboard. We're going to give it a name. We'll just call it Activities All. Again, good practice is to copy and paste your report name or your dashboard name into the description. And I'm going to save this to Company Dashboards because I want the whole company to see them. Once I do that, all I would have to do is drag those reports onto this canvas here. The good thing about Salesforce is it allows you to remember the last used reports that you used in the system when you bring things into a dashboard. So if I click on component, for example, it's going to show me that the last two reports that I created were in chronological order here. So the first one that I created was the activities one, which shows the information, if you recall, by the contact name. So I'm going to select that one. And I actually do want to choose the first one here, which is the bar chart. I can also choose a vertical or horizontal bar chart or a donut chart or other visualization if I want to, but I do want to just stick with the bar chart. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to call it Activities by Contact, which I can do just by customizing the title down here, and then click Add. If I wanted to change the dynamics of this particular dashboard snippet, I can click onto it and then just stretch this over a little bit until I'm satisfied with the look and feel. To do the other one, I'm going to choose a different visualization type. I'm going to choose a tabular format, which is this last one down here, which pretty much just shows me all the fields. To do that, I would just click on that visualization, click Add, and then drag and drop that component right up to the top. And just like the first one, I can stretch it to make it look good. There we go. And there's my dashboard. So to summarize, once you've completed the integration step to get Dubb connected to Salesforce, it shouldn't take you too long to be able to see the activities or events in Salesforce via a report and a graphical dashboard by following these steps. Thanks for watching this Dubb support video. If you wish to get a free Dubb account, please go to dubb.com, and if you have any specific questions, please visit support.dubb.com or email at support@dubb.com. Thank you.